हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने चाह रहे हैं फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ के टॉप एमसीक्यूज। एंड यार, इन एमसीक्यूज की पीडीएफ का लिंक तुम्हें नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है। सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने लेक्चर अच्छे से कर रखा है तो आप लोग जाके डायरेक्टली उन्हें भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी मेड इनटू क्रिस्टल? ऑप्शन ए बैक्टीरियम, ऑप्शन बी अमीबा, ऑप्शन सी वायरस, ऑप्शन डी sperm, and the correct answer is virus. Next question comes here. A swell will swell up if option A concentration of water molecules in cell is higher than the concentration of water molecules in surrounding medium. Option B concentration of water molecules in the surrounding medium is higher than the water molecules concentration in the cell. Option C concentration of water molecules is same in cell and in surrounding medium. Option D concentration of water molecules does not matter, and the correct answer is concentration of water molecules in surrounding medium is higher than the water molecules concentration in a cell. Next question comes here. Chromosomes are made up of option A DNA, option B protein, option C DNA and protein, option D RNA, and the correct answer is protein. Next question comes here. Which of these options are not a function of ribosomes? Option A, it helps in manufacture of protein molecules. Option B, it helps in manufacture of hormones. Option C, it helps in manufacture of starch molecules. Option D, both second and third. And the correct answer is both second and third. Next question comes here. Which of these is not related to endoplasmic reticulum? Option A, it behaves as a transport channel for proteins between nucleus and cytoplasm. Option B, it transport material between various regions in cytoplasm. Option C, it can be the site of energy generation. Option D, it can be the site for some biochemical activities of the cell. And the correct answer is it can be the site of energy generation. Next question comes here. Which one is the correct definition of osmosis? Option A, movement of water molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Option B, movement of solvent molecules from its higher concentration to lower concentration. Option C, movement of solvent molecules from a higher concentration to lower concentration of solution through a permeable membrane. Option D, movement of solute molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration of solution through a semi-permeable membrane. And the correct answer is movement of water molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Next question comes here. Plasmolysis in a plant cell is defined as option A, breakdown of a plasma membrane in hypotonic medium. Option B, shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic medium. Option C, shrinkage of nucleoplasm. Option D, none of them. And the correct answer is shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic medium. Next question comes here. Which of the following are covered by a single membrane? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, vacuole. Option C, lysosome. Option D, plastids. And the correct answer is vacuole. Next question comes here. Which cell organelle plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs in a cell? Option A, Golgi apparatus. Option B, lysosome. Option C, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Option D, vacuoles. And the correct answer is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next question comes here. Proteins and lipids essential for building the cell membrane are manufactured by option A, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Option B, Golgi apparatus. Option C, plasma membrane. Option D, mitochondria. And the correct answer is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next question comes here. The undefined nuclear region of prokaryotes is also known as option A, nucleus. Option B, nucleolus. Option C, nucleic acid. Option D, nuclide. And the correct answer is nucleoid. Next question comes here. The cell organelle involved in forming complex sugars from simple sugars are option A, endoplasmic reticulum. Option B, ribosomes. Option C, plastids. Option D, Golgi apparatus. And the correct answer is Golgi apparatus. Next question comes here. Which out of the following is not a function of vacuole? Option A, storage. Option B, providing turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Option C, waste excretion. Option D, locomotion. And the correct answer is locomotion. Next question comes here. Amoeba requires its food through a process termed as option A exocytosis, option B endocytosis, option C plasmolysis, option D exocytosis and endocytosis both. And the correct answer is endocytosis. Next question comes here. Cell wall of which one of these is not made up of cellulose? Option A bacteria, option B hydrilla, option C mango tree, option D cactus. And the correct answer is bacteria. Next question comes here. Silver nitrate solution is used to study option A endoplasmic reticulum, option B Golgi apparatus, option C nucleus, option D mitochondria. And the correct answer is Golgi apparatus. Next question comes here. Organelle other than nucleus containing DNA is option A endoplasmic reticulum, option B Golgi apparatus, option C mitochondria, option D lysosome. And the correct answer is mitochondria. Next question comes here. Kitchen of the cell is called option A mitochondria, option B endoplasmic reticulum, option C chloroplast, option D Golgi apparatus. And the correct answer is chloroplast. Next question comes here. Lipid molecules in the cell are synthesized by option A smooth endoplasmic reticulum, option B rough endoplasmic reticulum, option C Golgi apparatus, option D plastids. And the correct answer is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next question comes here. Cell theory was given by option A Schleiden and Swan, option B Virchow, option C Hooke, option D Haeckel. And the correct answer is Schleiden and Swan. Next question comes here. The only cell organelle seen in prokaryotic cell is option A mitochondria, option B ribosomes, option C plastids, option D lysosome. And the correct answer is ribosomes. Next question comes here. Organelle without a cell membrane is option A ribosome, option B Golgi apparatus, option C chloroplast, option D nucleus. And the correct answer is ribosome. Next question comes here. Lysosome arises from option A endoplasmic reticulum, option B Golgi apparatus, option C nucleus, option D mitochondria. And the correct answer is Golgi apparatus. Next question comes here. Living cells were discovered by option A Robert Hooke, option B Purkinje, option C Leeuwenhoek, option D Robert Brown. And the correct answer is Leeuwenhoek. Next question comes here. The organelle that is called the powerhouse of the cell. Option A Golgi bodies, option B lysosome, option C mitochondria, option D ribosome. And the correct answer is lysosome. Next question comes here. Vacuoles provide option A rigidity, option B turgidity, option C shape, option D both A and B. And the correct answer is turgidity. Next question comes here. The process which occurs when dry resins are soaked in water are called option A osmosis, option B endosmosis, option C endocytosis, option D diffusion. And the correct answer is endoosmosis. Next question comes here. Before scraping the inner side of the cheek to prepare a temporary mount of cheek cell, mouth is rinsed to option A remove food particles, option B make it alkaline, option C avoid injury, option D make it acidic. And the correct answer is make it acidic. Next question comes here. Which one of the following has their own DNA? Option A vacuole, option B mitochondria, option C Golgi bodies, option D ribosome. And the correct answer is vacuole. Next question comes here. A cover slip is placed over the specimen to option A prevent the tissue from drying, option B prevent glycerin from leaking out, option C remove the extra stain and water, option D crush the cells in order to see the organelles clearly. And the correct answer is crush the cells in order to see the cell organelles clearly. Next question comes here. To prepare a temporary stained mount of onion peel, a student must take the material from the option A green leaf of spring onion, option B dry scale leaf of onion, option C thin layer of fleshy leaf base of onion, option D crushed pulp of onion. And the correct answer is thin layer of fleshy leaf base of onion. Next question comes here. A cell organelle that is not surrounded by any membrane is option A chloroplast, option B ribosome, option C endoplasmic reticulum, option D Golgi apparatus, and the correct answer is ribosome. Next question comes here. Gaseous exchange in cells takes place by option A exocytosis, option B diffusion, option C osmosis, option D endocytosis, and the correct answer is diffusion. Next question comes here. Which one is the common feature of mitochondria and plastids? Option A ability to produce ATP, option B presence of DNA and ribosomes, option C presence of matrix called stroma, option D deeply folded inner membranes, and the correct answer is presence of DNA and ribosomes. सो गाइस यही थे हमारे टॉप एमसीक्यूज जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है। नीचे जो पीडीएफ के लिंक्स है उनसे तुम और अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना और उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लेना। मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग द चैनल बिकॉज जितने चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सबके एमसीक्यूज कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास आ रहे होंगे। ठीक, सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड गुड बाय।